You understand English but can't speak it fluently? Well, I guess you are probably making this one mistake. In this video, I'm going to share with you one mistake that every English learner, English beginner makes while learning English. And in fact, I've made this mistake when I was learning English. By the way, I'm also learning English right now, but in my first stages, when I started learning English, I used to make these mistakes too. Are you ready to fix this problem? Let's get started. Well, the mistake is translating in your head. For example, when someone asks you a simple question, how is it going? You translate to your native language. Then finally, you translate it back to English and you speak. Then the conversation has already moved on. You waste so much time on translating from your native language. So this is the mistake. Translating in head, not directly thinking in English. So how to fix this problem? Well, it is so simple. I'm going to give you some tips that will help you to overcome this problem. Tips number one, to narrate your day means whatever you are doing. For example, while you are making coffee, you can say, I'm making coffee. While you are playing football, you can say, I'm playing football. Just say out loud whatever you are doing in English. That is tips number one. Tips number two, to look around and describe the things in English. To say things in English. For example, say table, chair, room, door, window, like this, instead of using your native language. Okay, that is second thing. Whatever you see, for example, I see that tree. I can see that tree, and I will say that is a tree. That is a tree. I won't say I will say in Nepali, in my language. I will say in English. That is a tree. So whatever you see, try to say it out loud in English. Number three, tips number three, focus on phrases, not on vocabulary. I think this is your mistake. Learning phrases will help you to think in English much more faster than just memorizing a list of vocabulary. What I mean is, instead of just learning their meaning, try to learn phrases, simple phrases. For example, I'm going to home, I'm playing football, he is my brother, they are playing in the ground. So learn these phrases, simple phrases that helps you to speak English much more faster and fluently. Tips number four. Tips number four is to use simple sentences. What I mean is, don't try to force yourself to form complex sentences. Don't try to be overconfident. Don't try to be fluent. Okay? Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Use simple sentences every single day. These were the tips that I want you to follow every single day. And if you follow these tips, I 100% guarantee that you will think in English. Yeah, it is gonna take time. It is gonna take time. But one day you will think in English. You won't have to translate from your native language. You won't have to translate in your head every single sentence. Okay? So yeah, this is the end of this video. If you learned anything from this video, new things, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Yeah, bye bye guys, see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep watching, and improve your English.